or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making the most delicious smoky oven fried turkey wings. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy turkey wings. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela K.O.D. and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's do together. Come. For ingredients, we'll be needing our turkey wings, blended onions, blended spices, curry powder and bay leaf, oil and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our delicious party style fried turkey wings. Turkey in the pan, we'll go ahead and season it. First season it with the salt. Salt is always to your taste. So this amount is okay for me. I'll go ahead and add my blended spice. You can use any spices of your choice, but I am using natural spice for this recipe. I'll go ahead and add the curry powder. You need all the flavors in this on this meat, guys. And I'll add some blended onions. This amount is okay for the blended onion. I'll go ahead and stir it and leave it for 1 hour before steaming it, because I really want the spices to get into the meat. Guys, after 1 hour, I'll cover my turkey on a high heat and then cook it, guys. But I am not adding any water to this meat. I want the juice from the meat to steam the meat now, but later on then I'll add water to it. So we are steaming this meat without any water, because when you steam it without water, you get all the flavors and the taste here. So we cover it up and allow it to cook. Guys, please let's check on our turkey. You can see it's doing really perfect. It's cooking really perfect without water. You can see it's cooking really perfect without water. When you cook it this way, when you steam your meat this way, any type of meat, you get a lot of flavors on your meat, guys. It's always important. And now I'll go ahead and add some water for it to cook this turkey. We've added enough water. I'll go ahead and cover it up and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Guys, let's go ahead and check on our turkey. Check this out. Our turkey is doing really perfect. It still looked really tough, yes. So I have to cook it more. So I'll go ahead and cover it again. I'll cook it 10 more minutes and it will be ready. Our turkey is done. I've put off the fire. So now we will go ahead and put it in our oven, guys, for the smokiness. Guys, let's go ahead and remove our turkey on the tray. Perfect. It's ready to go into the oven, and we are going to oven fry this. Let's go ahead and skim the oil from some of the oil from the stock. I am going to use it for the turkey, guys, when it goes into the oven, to still keep it moist and juicy, because I don't want this turkey to dry up in the oven. I want it to come out juicy and delicious. Guys, let's go ahead and add some stock and oil to our turkey to maintain the juiciness when it's still in the oven. It's very important. This is the trick to get your juicy oven fried turkey ready into the oven. But after some few minutes, we'll still remove it and add more to keep it still moist and juicy. Guys, our oven has been preheated. I'll go ahead and put in my turkey. We are oven frying this turkey, guys. On the frying section on 200 degrees. We are oven frying this turkey. The stock from the turkey is a banger. It's everything. You can use this stock for your jollof, your fried rice, your stew, and your even soup. So you don't need to throw it away. Just save it in your freezer, and anytime you want to make anything, any jollof, fried rice, whatever, you are good to go. So never throw your stock out because it's filled with goodies and healthy. Whoa, look at this. It looks so perfect. I'll go ahead and still add some more stock on it because, as I said, this is oven fried turkey, but still we want to maintain the juiciness. We don't want to lose the juiciness on this turkey. Let's look at this. It looks so good, guys. Guys, our delicious oven fried smoky turkey wings is ready. Look at how delicious, juicy, shiny it looks. We'll go ahead and serve it, guys. Let's serve, guys. It looks so yummy. Guys, our delicious party star smoky oven fried turkey wings is ready, and you can serve this in a party, a cocktail party, any gathering of your choice. This is a perfect turkey you can use to serve. Thank you so much for coming with. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do your adios. Kiss, kiss.